Hey everyone, welcome back to Positive Living. I'm Lloyd, and today we're diving into something that's happened to all of us: hiccups, those annoying, uncontrollable hic sounds, but what actually causes them. Let's find out the top 5 reasons you might get hiccups. Let's get started. First up, eating too quickly. When you eat too fast, you tend to swallow air along with your food. This extra air can irritate your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, causing it to contract suddenly and create that classic hic sound. So if you find yourself hiccuping after a meal, try slowing down and taking smaller bites. Number 2, carbonated beverages. Drinks like soda, sparkling water, and beer are full of bubbles. These bubbles can cause your stomach to expand and push against your diaphragm, leading to those pesky hiccups. Maybe skip the fizzy drinks if you're prone to hiccups. Third on the list, sudden temperature changes. Drinking something very hot right after something cold, or vice versa, can irritate your diaphragm, triggering hiccups. Try to keep your drinks at a more consistent temperature to avoid this. Cause number 4, emotional stress or excitement. Believe it or not, strong emotions can mess with your body's normal rhythm, including your diaphragm's movement. Next time you're super excited or stressed, take deep breaths to calm your body and potentially avoid hiccups. Watching engaging animation or text on screen was number 5. Spicy foods. And finally, spicy food. Spices can irritate your esophagus and stomach, causing a reflex that results in hiccups. If spicy food are your hiccup trigger, maybe tone down the heat a bit. So there you have it, the top 5 causes of hiccups: eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, sudden temperature changes, emotional stress or excitement, and spicy foods. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts and tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy.